Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. We are on the last stages of the E300 scooter build. So what should we start with, Russ? To start with the deck plate. That should be relatively easy, he says. So the other day I had an old skateboard lying around. This one is looking rather to be honest with you. So what I did is I took the grip tape off, removed the decal that was on there. It was like a paper decal, which is really strange. It's only a cheap deck, and if you look, it's got perfectly straight edges, which you just don't get on a skateboard. It's just weird. So I cut it in half, or almost half, and I ended up with this. This is my deck plate, which is going on the E300. As you can see, I've curved the edges. So I oiled the deck with like a teak colour and then put a bit of varnish over it just to protect it a little bit. I was really pleased the way it turned out. Not really loved the colour, so we got to add the grip tape on there today and mount that on this plate. That's where it needs to be, and there's a couple of holes under here. Right, let's whip that off. See what the damage is. There should be 3 holes, 1, 2, and there, and another one there. Right, so that's fine. Moment of truth. See it. Every time we use this, the drill goes. Wow, I managed to get 2 holes out of a dead drill. We're just going to use this drill bit to smoothen off the edges. Get rid of that. Right, that's better. So now we've got our holes for putting the top deck onto the frame. We might as well put the grip tape on. So we got this from the Skate Warehouse. That was on eBay. Did a bit of shameful advertising there. That's alright, I've got my grip tape if ever you need it. Obviously this is a lot more than we're going to need, and I've just gone for a black, no fancy stuff this time. Keep the rest. So it's always best to go a little bit longer than you actually need. Give yourself some room to play. So about 1 inch more than I need. And that side, about 1 inch more than I need that side. Right, so what you want to do is make sure your deck is clean and dust free. Just make sure there's no lumps and bumps, which there's not. And actually, just make sure your surface is clean too. So once you're happy everything's clean, just peel off your backing tape. Line it up. So you want, so you know it's pretty much in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I've stuck it here, and I'm going to work my way down as I'm going down, just slightly pushing down. And obviously remember it's sandpaper, so you will take off your skin if you rub too much. Just make sure there's no bubbles. think you could probably put it back up if you needed to, but you shouldn't really need to. And there we are. So just make sure it's all pushed down all the way along the deck. And what you want to do is get your Stanley blade and you're going to scour around the edge of the deck. Like that. And what you're doing as you're doing that, you're actually drawing like a physical line into the grip tape. And then once you've got this looking a bit like that, this is when you're going to cut round the deck as neat as you can, try not to overlap any cuts. So starting from the top, I'm just going to come down till I feel wood. It's always best to keep your knife at an angle as you're going round, because that will give you a nice clean cut. Just make sure all your edges are glued down and you haven't got anything overhanging, which we haven't. And that is our deck for our Razor E300 hybrid. Is it a hybrid? Frankenstein. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop the holes through where our screws are going to go through. Using one of those screws I just put away. Just pierce it through. Try not to stab yourself in the finger. Right, so that's that done. Pretty chuffed for the way that's going to look. So basically what that's going to be on there like so. As always guys, thank you for watching, give us a thumbs up, subscribe somewhere down the bottom, and I will catch you in the next one.